Okay, in this video we'll take a look at adding the new version 2 calendar view and Kanban view to some entities in CRM. So here we are, we're sitting in activities, and to go and add the new controls we need to come over to customizations. So you need to be sysadmin to be able to do this. Advanced settings, into customizations, customize, and then go fetch the entity that you want to add the view to. So we're going to add the calendar view to the activities. So select the activity, come into controls, add a new control, and we're going to add calendar control version 2. Make sure it's version 2 there. Add on there, and we want it to be the default for viewing through the web, and you can set it for phone and tablet as well if you want to. And then we just need to enter in what the start dates and end dates of appointments and things are. So into here and scheduled start, into here and scheduled end, into here, and the description can be the subject line, and if you want as well you can add the duration in for the scheduled duration. So that's added the calendar control on. Just need to save the entity there. That will update. And when that is saved, just publish that. Obviously do this while you've got no users on the system. And we'll add in the Kanban control for, say, opportunities. I mean, we can add these controls into any of the entities. These are just examples, but there we go. Opportunity. Controls. Add a control. We'll add the Kanban control in. Select add. Again, we'll just default that to web, and there's no properties to set here. So once again, we save and publish. So heading back into our CRM, and I'm just going to do Control F5 just to clear the cache and reload the CRM. And there we go, our activities view are now presented in the calendar control, which I can change from week to day to month. So I can go back a week there, and we see I've got some appointments in here. I can click on there, see what the appointment is, click on more details, or delete as well if I need to. And then we come into a phone call record. If I go back into the control, I can double click anywhere in the view and it will go in to start off the appointment screen. Just discard my changes there. As with these views, you can just come across to the edge here and click back and show the traditional view if you want to. So that was just click show as and then change from either what you're in to the calendar control. If we come over to opportunities, this is now on Kanban board. So qualify, develop, propose and close, whichever settings we have on our business process flow. So yours might be slightly different to this, or you can present it in just straightforward status flow, open, won and lost, but most likely you'll be on business process flow. And then you can move things from one status to another. So if we go from qualify to develop, it'll then open up the record. I have a chance to change one or two items in here, or I can just move it like I've just said from qualify to develop, save and close, and that moves that along. And again, I can come up to here and change back to read-only grids or editable grids or any other controls that I'd added into the system. So that's adding the new calendar control version 2 and Kanban boards and any other controls to your entities in CRM.